Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel WordPress Builder. As always, I am Mohammad Omar Farooq with you. In this video, I will show you how you can create an animated border like this. If you want to learn how to make it, you need to watch full video. So let's start. I am using Elementor Pro. So at first I delete this section. Now this is totally blank page. So at first you need to click on this add new section and choose 3 column. Now click on height and set it minimum height. Now click on VH and set the VH 100. Now go to style, click on background type. Now I pick up this color, so from color picker just click on, and this is the color code. Just click on color and paste it here. Now click on this cubic menu and drag and drop inner section. Now this is 2 column inner section, delete one. So right click and delete it. Now this is 1 column inner section, so click on edit inner column section and click on height and set it minimum height, and 400 is perfect. Now click on style, click on background type, go to color and set it black. Now click on border and all around set it 20 pixel. So you can see all around 20 pixel border, border radius. Now go to advanced and I just using some padding, so using 3 pixel padding. Now I'm using padding this and this, that means left and right. So click on this outer column section, go to advanced and unlock this padding option and set it right 30, left 30. Again click on this cubic menu and drag and drop heading section and set it title 1 and set the alignment center. Go to style, click on text color and set it pure white. Now click on this edit typography and choose font family Poppins and font weight maximum 900 and font size 60 pixel. Now again click on this cubic menu and drag and drop text editor widget. Now go to style, set the alignment center, click on text color and set the text color. I think this color is okay. Now click on this edit typography options, click on font family and choose Poppins. Now again click on this cubic menu and drag and drop button widget and change the button name. Subscribe now. Now go to style, click on this typography and set the font family Poppins and change text color, text color white, and click on border type, select solid and all around border 1 pixel and border radius I think 20 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. Now click on this background color, button background color, and make it transparent. Click on this content and set the alignment center. Now it's time to all the content center. So click on this edit column options and click on particle element and set it middle. Now go to style and copy this color again. So using color picker I copy this color and click on background type and set it, paste it. Now click on border and set the border radius 16 pixel or around. Now go to advanced and set the padding all around 15 pixel. You can see a black color border. So basically it's not a border, it's a padding. So double check, you just click on this edit inner column options and go to advanced, and this is the padding. If you set it 20, you can see padding is more than bigger, so that looks weird. I set it 3 pixel. So now it's time to use some custom CSS code. Don't worry, I provide all the custom CSS code into my Google Drive. You just download it and paste it to your own website. If you want to more videos like this, please support me by clicking on my Amazon affiliate link and making a purchase. The link is provided in the description box. So just copy this custom CSS code, click on this edit inner column options, go to advanced, click on custom CSS and paste it here. Now you can see beautiful animated border. So if you want to increase this animation speed, you can just by speed options, you just select, if you select 2 seconds, you can see your animated border speed increases. And this is the 2 second completed this whole circle. So I'm just using 5 seconds. That's looking good. So now duplicate this by right click and click on duplicate. Again right click and click on duplicate and delete this 2 column and change the title to and three. Now check it responsive mode. So by clicking this responsive mode and select tablet view, you can see tablet view is not looking so good. So you just click on edit and set it. I think 10 is perfect. So click right click, copy and right click, paste and click on right click and paste style. Now tablet view is looking so good, so it's time to see mobile responsive mode. So click on mobile responsive mode. I think mobile responsive is good, so need some padding, so I can click on this edit column options and set the padding 30. Now click on right click, copy, again click on right click and paste style. Again click on right click and paste style. So our responsive mode is beautiful. So close this responsive options. So don't forget to update this green button. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please drop a comment in comment section. Again, if you want more videos like this, please support me by clicking on Amazon affiliate link and making purchase. The link is provided in the description box.